Hey guys, this is Nathan Hoover. This is the 5th video about Scratch tutorials and about it. This video teaches you about how far sprites go and which way. First, let's start by making the cat follow the mouse. So first you're going to want to go to the Events tab and then do this when flag clicked block. Then drag it over to the scripts area. Now go to the Control tab and then go to this Forever block, click on it, and drag it over to the scripts area right below when flag clicked. Now go over to the Motion tab you want to click this Point Towards block. Make sure it says Point Towards Mouse Pointer, and drag it over into the Forever block. Alright, now click this green flag and find out what the cat does. As you can see, the cat is following your mouse. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, now I'm just gonna have you go to the File section, click on it, click New, and then you'll get this dialog box that says Discard Contents of the Current Project. You're gonna want to click OK, and that deletes every single block that's in the scripts area and resets everything. And if you had a project where you didn't have your cat would come back. So, yep. Now let's show you sprites know where to go. Every sprite knows what direction it's pointing. So, when you click on this blue eye button, which means information, you'll see that there's a direction circle right here. Point to where my mouse is pointing. First, I'm going to want you to change the rotation style to this arrow. That arrow thing right there, that's blue. And then I'll have you do the direction circle. So direct... Okay, hold on. So, direction -90 is left. So, yep, direction -90. As you can see, the cat is to its left now. Now, I'm gonna have you do this rotation thing. So, direction 0 degrees is up. Hold on. Come on. Alright, this is direction 0. As you can see, he's sort of pointing up now. They don't change. If this blue circle was highlighted, it wouldn't change whenever this is up or to the right. It's not going to change at all. Moving the direction circle, he's not changing. Alright, now go back to the circle thing, and now 180 degrees is down. And as you can see, he's pointing down. Alright, now I'm sort of just going to make a new project now. Alright, now he's back to his own position, back to his own right position. Alright, now we're going to choose a sprite's direction. Did you know that you can also choose a sprite's direction from the... You can get those direction blocks right from the motion tab. You click on this point in direction block. As you can see, there are 4 different ones. So 90 is right, negative 90 is left, 0 is up, and 180 is down. So I'll show you negative 90 again. Oh, you gotta double click on the block. And I'll change the rotation style too. Alright, he's pointing to his left. Now we're gonna do 0 up. As you can see, he goes back to just facing his right instead of facing up. You want to know why? You're going to want to click the rotation style circle. And that turns around. Awesome. He's pointing up. And now, click on that again. Now it's 180 down. Double click on the block, and then he's pointing down. So, yep. We're gonna go ahead and go back to 90. 90, which means to the right before we continue. As you can see, when I'm double clicking the block, it changes the direction circle. How awesome is that? So, we're going to go ahead and delete the block from the scripts area now. And now we're going to show you bouncing off the walls again. So first, go to the Events tab, click on the When Flag Clicked block, then drag it over to the scripts area. Alright, now you're going to go over to the Motion tab, go to this Point in Direction block, and instead of choosing the default 4 ones, you're actually going to type in a different number. The number you're going to type in is 45. So that's 4, and 5. Alright, now drag it below when flag clicked. Alright, now go over to the Control tab, click on this Forever block, then drag it below the Point in Direction block. Now, go over to the Motion tab, go to this Move 10 Steps block, then drag it in the Forever block. And then right down at the bottom, you see an If Edge on Bounce block. Alright, just click on the If on Edge Bounce button, then drag it into the Forever block. Alright, now when flag clicked, you'll see what he does. Alright, let me change my rotation style real quick. Alright, let's click on the flag again. As you can see, this is sort of like playing Pong this is sort of like the Pong game. Like the cat is the ball, and those sides are the blocks that, hit the ball. That was around back in the probably early or late 70s. I'm not sure. Anyways, that's showing you which way. That teaches you about which way. Hope that helped you on making Scratch projects. This is Nathan Hoover signing off. See you on the 6th episode of Scratch Tutorials and About It.